We're all interested in this idea of using data to accelerate materials discovery. And in particular, my group is computational. We're interested in using computational data to make that discovery. And if you look at this problem from a very, very high level, you can say that the kinds of things you need to actually make materials discovery from data are listed here. First of all, obviously, you need data to apply data-driven methods. These data can be collected and classified into databases, but then ultimately you want to do something with the data and you need to search it in some way. You can either search it sort of directly, or you can search it using more sophisticated data mining or machine learning algorithms. And so I know this is a very, very generic classification, but it helps me to kind of organize the talk, and I'm going to